In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see if someone opened a Dropbox file. If you've shared a file through Dropbox and want to know whether someone actually opened it, the easiest place to check is the Activity section. This area can give you a quick overview of what has happened with a specific file or folder, including whether it was viewed, when that happened, and in some cases whether it was edited or downloaded. Keep in mind that what you're able to see can depend on how the file was shared and what type of Dropbox plan or permissions are involved, but for most people, Activity is the best starting point. To begin, open Dropbox on your computer or in your web browser. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that owns the file or the one from which the file was shared, because activity details are usually tied to the sharing account. After signing in, locate the file or folder you want to check. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct item, especially if you have multiple versions of the same document or similar file names. This helps avoid checking the wrong activity history. Next to that file or folder, click the three dots. This opens the options menu for that item. In the menu, look for Activity and click it. This is where Dropbox shows the recent actions related to the file or folder. Once the Activity panel opens, review the details carefully. If the file was shared in a way that allows Dropbox to track viewer activity, you may be able to see who opened the file. You can also usually see when it was viewed, which is helpful if you're waiting for someone to review a document and want to confirm that they accessed it. Depending on the file type and sharing settings, you may also see whether the file was edited or downloaded. If you don't see viewer information, that doesn't always mean the file was never opened. In some cases, tracking may be limited by the type of share link used, privacy settings, or account features. So the activity section is useful, but it may not always show every action in every situation. That's the simplest way to check whether someone opened your Dropbox file. Open Dropbox, sign in, find the file or folder, click the three dots, and then select Activity to review the available history. If this is something you check often, it's a good habit to organize shared files clearly so it's easier to monitor activity later.